Hello everyone, my name is Ashley and I just want to talk to you about Project Me. I'm so excited about this new project that I'm venturing into. It's been a long time coming. I've been quiet for quite some time about it, but I'm ready to share and truly it's about you. So let me give you the quick background of where it came from. So many years ago, I went through a very painful and difficult situation. It was devastating. And it was interesting as I was asking God to please save me and relieve me from this. It was like he was saying, well, let's talk about you. You can't control the other person, so that's out of the equation. But you have a choice that you can make. You've always had a choice. So what is your choice going to be? And it was like the more I began to ask God to change the other person, the more he was changing me and getting me to really think about what choices I was making, what was my mentality, what I needed to do. And so those of you that know me know that I keep a list, a to-do list all the time. I'm always working on projects, whether it's my next book project, a personal project, a project in the house. So I'm always working on projects. And it was like God said, okay, the next project is you, Project Me. And it was God said, you don't have to do anything. You need to be willing. You need to be open and change. But God really did the fixing. It was like, he was like, you've got some broken things in you that need to be fixed. Let me heal that for you. There are some broken relationships, some things that are not quite in order as they should be. So let me fix that. And I'm so glad to say that he did. Those broken pieces have been healed, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I'm more clear about my purpose today than I ever have been, and I'm excited about that. And so I want the same for you. I know I'm not the only person that's been through a difficult moment. There are some of you that are right now that are going through some very trying times. But I just want to let you know one thing, that you can and you will make it. Because you know what? There's another side. As long as there's still breath in your body, there's an opportunity. And so I'm here to encourage you, and I'm going to be sharing about my life story, the life lessons that I've learned, the hard choices that I had to make, but I'm glad that I made them now. And all in the hopes of encouraging you and inspiring you to be the best you. You can make yourself the next project. Let God work on you, and I guarantee you, your life will change forever. You will be transformed, and it will just blow your mind. It will amaze you. So join me on this journey as we do it together, and I look forward to talking to you in our next video.